Hello everyone, my name is Om. Today discuss about what is Java. Java is widely used programming language for coding web application. It has been a popular choice among developers for over 2 decades with millions of Java applications in use today. Java is multi-platform, object-oriented and network-centric language that can be used as a platform in itself. It is a fast, secure, reliable programming language for coding everything from mobile apps and enterprise software to big data applications and server side technologies. Java is a popular programming language created in 1995. Java is a programming language and platform. Java is high level, robust, object oriented and secure programming language. Java was developed by Sun Microsystem, which is now is in the year 1995. James Gosling is known as the father of Java. Before Java, his name was Oak. Science Oak was already a registered company. So James Gosling and his team changed the name of Oak to Java. Standalone applications are also known as desktop applications or Windows-based applications. There are traditional software that we need to install on every machine. Examples of standalone applications are media players, antivirus, AWT and Swing are used in Java for creating standalone applications. An application that is distributed in nature, such as banking applications, etc., is called an enterprise application. It has advantages like high level security, load balancing, and clustering. In Java, used creating enterprise application. A mobile application, an application which is created of mobile devices, is called mobile applications. Currently, Android and Java ME are used to creating mobile applications. Features of Java. The primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. The features of Java are also known as Java buzzword. Java is platform independent because it is different from other languages like C, C++, which are compiled into platform specific machines, while Java is a write once run anywhere language, a platform in the hardware of or software environment in which program runs. There are two types of platform: software based and hardware based. Java provides a software based platform. The Java platform differs from most other platform in the sense that is a software based platform that runs on top of other hardware based platform. It has two components. Java is architecture natural because there are no independent features. For example, the size of primitive types is fixed. In C programming, int data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes of memory for 60-bit architecture. However, it occupies 4 bytes of memory for both 32 and 64-bit architecture in Java. Java is faster than other traditional programming language because Java bytecode is close to native code. It's still a little bit slower than compiled language. Java is interpreted language, that is why is slower than compiled. The history of Java is very interesting. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced technology for the digital cable television industry at the time. The history of Java starts with the Green Team. Java team members, also known as Green Team. The principles for creating Java programming were simple: robust, portable, platform independent, secure, high performance, multi-thread architecture, natural, object oriented, project in the early. Thank you.